A veces extraño que... So guys, this is the shoe. Going to do some shopping for my boy, some summer shopping for my boy. Not too much, just a little bit, because I know that this summer is just too much. You know that children grows a lot. The one I got for him last year summer, no one, they are no longer fitting him again, and they are all too small for him now. I said, okay, let me just go and get some, even if it's 4 knicker, 5 tops. So guys, this is my train. Yes, I'm going to Milan City. This is my train. I entered my train, and yeah, I want just to give you guys a good vlog today. So this is me. I was vlogging. This is my phone. I was just vlogging around. The train is moving, and this is a very beautiful view that you can just view for yourself, you know. So yeah, it's me in Milan. No, hey you guys, yeah, it's me in Milan. I still live in Milan though, just that it's 30 minutes from here, so you still need to take train and all that. Yeah, so this place I am going to do shopping is called Corso Buenos Aires. This is where most of Italian models come to do shopping. This place is, I think it's leads to Porta Venezia, Duomo di Milano. This place is very long and very big. It leads to a lot of beautiful places. And here is me in this beautiful shop. This shop I saw when I was going. I decided to branch. You know, you guys, me with fine things. Oh my goodness. My heart don't full for things. So, mona hold me. I know they use I see things, say I know bear. Mona hold me. Oh my goodness. So, I bought this mini fan for myself in this summer. And I want yours to take along anywhere they go, because these 2 months when we get for sun, so the sun go want kill you. So I want yours to carry am. Before I come up for us, I go charge am. I go dey carry am follow body in case of the sun. I no fit go kill myself. You understand? Yes, I no fit kill myself. So this is me show you guys the store. All the old store, they are very beautiful. This store, whenever I go to Milan, I always go to this store. It's very beautiful. It's small store, but they have everything. This is not China shop. They have everything, okay? So this is Zara. The first thing I did is I branched Zara. So I went to 3 different stores today for my son, for my boy. 3 different stores. You guys are going to be seeing the stores which I went to, okay? So I picked some few top and some few knickers here. I don't really see things that I love so much, because I picked this one. You see it later on my review. I did the review later at the end of this video. Me, I no go cut my mouth, you understand? So yeah, this top was too thick. Me, I no need something thick for my son this summer, because my son dey fit it well. So I later come to this place. I picked this light one. These ones are so light, you understand? So guys, I no fit wait for sales. They are not doing sales normally. This one no be like me when they always they go, they find sales, they go. But my son no see summer clothes and knicker where go, because e don too big pass all the ones wey I buy for am. So I bring all of them come out this year. E don over big pass all of them, so I have to go immediately. So yes, I went to another shop, that Tazenis right there. That's where I shop for my pants, my undies, and all that. This is OVS. I later come back to OVS, because I not can see anything for H&M. As I enter this H&M one at the see so now, the things when I pick for H&M, you know, even reach how many. So I enter inside. I dey show now my new acquire body, not with surgery, with my normal routine. This is me looking dupe and dupes and dupeable. And this is my new body, and this is my jeans when they enter me before, it can't enter me for my diet, for my flat tummy. See the mother of one beautiful young boy, looking sexy. Yes, so I did my ass, can't beat me. So I'm joking anyway. So I can't reach H&M. I know to see what I like. I come pick some few things. They really have beautiful things for guests though. Beautiful fine things for guests. So yes, CH&M, they all get everything kpala 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 for children. They no get design kpala 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 kpala. I sha pick small sha. I sha pick small. I just feel like two nika. See this one kpala kpala kpala. Eh? So I just come up for there, later come to OVS. See OVS now, you see designers, see now, see OVS designers. OVS get better designers. I pick a lot of things for here oh. I pick this one wey you dey see so. I pick yellow, I pick red, I pick different type. So yes, una go see the review, everything wey I pick at the end of this video. I spend 150 euro for only my boy for this summer. I will 150 euro, and this clothes wey we buy now, next year no size am again o. But I think this one some go size am next summer, because next summer e go, this ones wey I buy na 3 years, 2 years, 2 to 3 years. I still buy some 3 to 4 so that may still wear am tey. You know, so but I think say by next year another design don still come out. Na be the problem. The ones wey I buy last year summer now, nothing, no one as I bring, because I wash all of them, I come iron and keep, but no one as I bring them come out, no one enter am. So these are the stuff I bought. Na wetin I buy be this. But na no mind me o, I dey use pidgin and English together. This one na vlog, na motherhood vlog I dey do. So anyone wey I use, more na manage am, you understand. So na see this is the light top I bought, and yeah, I just bought all this one because they are light and they are so good, and it can wear them next year as well. You see, see the knickers wey I buy, they big well. So I think next year they go see enter am. They go see enter am well. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much. Please follow this page or share my video for more quality and video, for more content. You both should share this video. Okay, if you are watching from YouTube, please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you on my next video.